on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making slow cooker pizza casserole. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 16 ounces of rotini pasta, 2 23.9 ounce jars of pizza sauce, 3 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. You want to divide it into 2 cups and then 1 cup, 1 pound of ground beef, 1/4 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 1/2 of a small onion diced, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 6-ounce bag of pepperoni, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. In a heated saucepan, I'm going to add in my 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onions. And we're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. You want your heat to be on medium. Now you want to add in your minced garlic. We're going to let that saute for 1 minute. You can begin to add in your ground beef. We're going to go ahead and break down our ground beef. Make sure it's mixed well with some onion and garlic. Now you want to let it continue to cook until it's all the way brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to remove it from your pan and drain it of all excess grease. Okay, now I have my slow cooker. I've added my ground beef in. Now you want to pour your 2 jars of pizza sauce in. I'm going to add in my ground black pepper and my Italian seasoning. And guys, if you want to add any salt, you can. I'm not adding any salt to mine. Now we're just going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our box of rotini pasta. You just want to go in and mix it until it's well combined, and you want all of your pasta covered in the sauce. Okay guys, make sure it's all covered in your sauce. Now we're going to take our pepperoni and we're just going to put a layer over top of our pasta mixture. Okay guys, this is what it should look like. Now you can cook it on low for 2.5 to 3 hours, or you can cook it on high 1.5 to 2 hours. I'll be cooking mine on high for 2 hours. And go ahead and put your lid on. Okay guys, once it's done, you want to go ahead and you want to mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. And you want to mix it until it's melted. Now we're going to add in our Parmesan cheese. You can go ahead and give that a mix also. And now we're going to take our cup of cheese and we're just going to put it over top. Now you want to place your lid back over top of it. And we're going to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes until all the cheese has melted. Okay guys, once the cheese has melted, I'm just going to sprinkle some parsley flakes over top just to give it a little bit of color. Okay guys, so here we have it, our slow cooker pizza casserole. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?